So you guys saw the picture of this in the thumbnail, but this is my corner bracket for the Wyze pan camera. I'm sure you could probably use it for some other cameras or some other purposes, but specifically I made it for the Wyze pan. This is currently stainless. I think the production one's going to be aluminum, a little easier to bend. I actually had to use a vise to do this one, and I'm pretty sure that not everybody that may want to buy this is going to have a vise. Maybe probably put in a door jamb or something like that and bend it, but I think the aluminum is going to be strong enough and also easy to bend. So that's what I wanted. So basically, what I have here is this corner, and I want to be able to see out to my front yard, and I want to be able to see my entire backyard as well. And so I couldn't find a bracket online. I couldn't find anything that I wanted. Everything comes straight off the wall and mounts. Well, if you have a pan, you can't reach around that corner. You're stuck at, 45 degrees out or whatever. So I came up with this. So of course I dropped my screw on camera. Basically set it to whatever height you want. Level it off. You can use your phone or level or just your eyes. But I kind of designed it so that like the corner here is basically kind of your 45 degree. Some you can mount however you want, but I've got 3 mounting holes. I only got 2 screws with me right now, but that's more than stout. So Wyze pan, your 1/4-20 screw in the bottom. I forget if it comes with it or not, but we'll put our plug through one of the little holes here, and I'll get a closer video of this, but for kind of cord management and whatnot, and I recommend just plug it in like that. And I've got this little guy here. Bottom out the bolt and then tighten up the screw here. And that's it. You guys can see, if I can get out of the sunlight here, cord management, kind of nice. So if you're kind of yanking on it or whatever, trying to tighten everything up, you're not going to yank it out of the pan through running wires. But that'll give me full access down that way and full access down that way of the video. So yeah, I can get the video here, but yeah, just something I decided to work up for you guys. Hopefully some you're interested in, want to buy it. I need to do one little tweak to it to make sure that it'll be ready for production. Yeah, I think it's kind of a cool idea. I don't see anything out on the market, and we'll see how it works. So you guys check it out.